Welcome to Slovo za Slovo, which means word by word. I'm Katya, and I believe fluency isn't about memorizing a dictionary. It's about building your language, one block at a time. Here, we break down complex grammar into bite-sized pieces and turn the impossible into your new vocabulary. Let's take the next step together. Slovo za Slovo, and you are speaking Russian. Word of the day today is a stranger. Незнакомец. Have you ever wondered how to accurately describe someone you don't know in Russian? It's not just one word. Depending on whether you are talking about a man, a woman, or a group of people, the word changes, and so does the vibe of the sentence. In this video, we break down 3 essential words: Незнакомец, незнакомка и незнакомцы. Незнакомец, male stranger. Вчера мне помог один незнакомец. A stranger helped me yesterday. Незнакомка, female stranger. Кто эта таинственная незнакомка? Who is this mysterious stranger? Незнакомцы, plural. Город полон незнакомцев. The city is full of strangers. We cover everything from A1 basics to B2 plus idioms and cultural nuances here. Slovo za slovo, and you are learning Russian.